Morning, dear students. This is Vishram Singh Meena, Assistant Professor is working at Government PG College, Karoli. The lecture of the day is for the students of English Literature, especially BA Part First. Today we are going to take the fifth unit of the syllabus. We will know about the literary term entitled sonnet. First of all, we should have the introduction of a sonnet. As far as the origin of sonnet is concerned, it was originated in Italy in the 13th century. The best practitioner of this poetic form is Petrarch, an Italian poet. After the name of Petrarch, the sonnet is known as the Petrarchan sonnet. The term sonnet has been derived from the Italian word sonetto, which means a little poem or a little sound. As far as the structure of the sonnet is concerned, it is a 14-lined poem written in iambic pentameter. Iambic pentameter is the meter which consists 10 syllables, and these 10 syllables are in 5 pairs of 2 syllables, unstressed and stressed. That is the pair. The sonnet has a specific structure and rhyme scheme. So in all, we can say that a sonnet is a poetic form first originated in Italy in the 13th century, is a poem which is written in 14 lines. That is the practiced poetic form of writing sonnet. As we know that sonnet writing began in Italy, so we categorize the sonnet into 3 parts: Italian sonnet, English sonnet, and Spanish sonnet. So first of all, we have to take Italian sonnet. The Italian sonnet is divided into 2 parts: octave and sestet. The octave includes 8 lines, while the sestet includes 6 lines, which are divided into 2 tercets. Tercets means a stanza of 3 lines. Octave introduces the problem or the question or the proposition we can call. The thought is introduced in octave, and the sestet proposes a resolution. Resolution means a result. When the octave comes to an end, there is the move from proposition to resolution. That is called the turn or volta. As we know, when the ninth line begins, there is the change in the thought. That change is termed as volta. As far as the rhyme scheme of Italian sonnet is concerned, the octave has the rhyme scheme A B B A B B A, while the sestet has the rhyme scheme like C D E C D E C D C C D C. That is the another variant of rhyme scheme in a sestet. The sonnet was started by Petrarch in Italy. He was the best practitioner of this kind of poetic form. Italian sonnet was used by John Milton. Now we come on to English sonnet. In England, a sonnet was brought by Sir Thomas Bott and the Earl of Surrey, Henry Howard. These were the two poets who brought sonnet writing in England in the 16th century. The best practitioner of sonnet in English literature is William Shakespeare, and after the name of Shakespeare, the English sonnet is known as Shakespearean sonnet also. There is the difference between Italian sonnet and English sonnet. However, there are 14 lines in both, but the difference is in rhyme scheme and the structure of the poem. In Italian sonnet, there were two parts, octave and sestet, while in the English sonnet, the sonnet is divided into three quatrains. Each quatrain includes 4 lines, and these three quatrains are followed by a couplet. The rhyme scheme of English sonnet is A B A B C D C D E F E F, and the couplet is G G as far as rhyme scheme is concerned. William Shakespeare, Sir Philip Sidney, metaphysical poets John Milton, and so many other poets in English characterized English sonnet. Three quatrains include the introduction of the thought, and the thought is developed. Then there is the change in